backdoor on Hack the Box, right? So let's go ahead and grab that, and we'll go ahead and we'll start this thing off. We'll start off with our Rust scan. B7H30. I also have a EJPT on YouTube also. That whole box and 3 others to prepare someone for EJPT version 2. And then I just wrote a Medium post also, medium.com post. So if you go to Overgrow Carrot 1 Medium, so everything's in here. So or try Ryan Yeager Medium. There you go. Overgrow Carrot 1.medium.com. If you go in here, you look at EJPT review. This like right here, it has all the stuff that the YouTube video for it, but it also has the Vagrant machine that I made, 2 other machines that will really get you prepared for it, and then on Vault Hub, and then Try Hack Me one. So it has all that stuff. Then it also has the walkthrough of all that stuff right here. So that guy. So that's if you want to check that out or whatever. So it has the walkthrough for all those, even though those are already on my YouTube. I think every single one except for one of them are already on my YouTube. And that kind of says it there, like ICA1, you don't just exploit, just get the password and then you're good. You don't need to get root on that one, ICA1. So if you can't get to root, it's whatever. You'll be just fine. All right, so we start off with the Rust scan, right? We got 1, 3 through 7. Let's go ahead and check out what that is. Welcome. I want to make sure that's still open, actually. Okay, it is there. Is that the back door? I mean, you know, all right, let's go ahead and curl that website. Everyone's a noob at some point. You know what? You guys all yell at your parents because they can't figure out how to get the printer to work, but by God, they taught you how to use a damn spoon. So everyone's a noob at some point. All right. So let's go ahead and let's head over to that website, see what we got over here. Backdoor. Okay, so we got WordPress. Okay, let's go ahead and do a WP scan on it. Let's see what the actual site's called. Okay, so let's go ahead and head over there. That's why I always say whenever someone gets mad, like the comm guys, whenever they get mad at their parents for like they can't set up the printer or they can't connect to the internet or whatever else, I'm like, yo, they taught you to use a spoon. You better be freaking patient with them on the phone. All right, so we got admin here. Okay, let's go ahead and also enumerate plugins. And then we might have to do a aggressive plugin detection, but we do have a user of admin so far. It says no plugins detected. Let's go ahead and try it. What was it? Plugin detection. Tap plugins detection. Aggressive. Let's try that. That might take a really long time, so let's do attack T200 and throw 200 timing at it. The only thing I hate about the plugin detection is that it doesn't drop it as it says it. This says it's going to take like 3 hours or whatever, but it's not going to do it. We'll just try something else. We'll try to do the brute force before we do that. So That's not going to be too long. 3 minutes, that's not bad. WP pawn? What do you mean? WP scan? WP scan? Oh god, okay, another story time. WordPress pawn scan? Yeah, WP scan. Alright. Let me pause the video like real quick, we'll tell another story. Alright, so we finished up our scan. Looks like we got ebook download, which is out of date. Okay. And then we have Kismet. So let's go ahead and search Blake that ebook download. I think I just found another box for EJPT also. Okay, so let's see, we got WordPress plugin, ebook download, directory traversal. Okay, so we're probably going to be looking at something to do with that port 1337. Something, I don't know, because we didn't have SSH on here right there, that right? Did we have SSH on here? We do. Okay, we have SSH and we have this 1337 port. So I'm wondering if it's going to be something to do with that. But we do have this directory traversal. Let's go ahead and try to. Supposedly we may be able to go to here. Let's go ahead and give that a try. That'll bring up WP config. Okay, so we did download something. So we downloaded WP config. We do have a WordPress user and then the password. I'm wondering if actually we can actually no, because the other guy was admin. I wonder if that's also the admin's password. Let's try that. Nope. Okay. See if it was going to be the password reuse. Because WordPress user was not one of the users on the box. So admin was. Okay, so we got that now, right? Now, okay, now we got to start thinking about where to move from here. Okay, let's go ahead and look at Etsy password. We should probably just start curling this, huh? Yeah, it's probably something that we should probably just start curling. Oh, it's not going to be 192. What's the IP address for this box? 10.10.11.125. Didn't like that. Why do you like that at all? Okay, let's go ahead and try to throw. Or is it trying to do like a post request over that? No? Okay. Oh, what did you learn? What level? What do you mean? Okay, that was. Yeah, we found. Okay, cool. Or if we could just. Huh. Let's go and try downloading again. I might have messed it up the first time. I'm wondering. Wow. Okay. So for some reason, it doesn't seem to be. I don't know what all this is like right here, but it doesn't seem to be pulling down Etsy password now, does it? Oh, maybe that's why. Maybe because I'm an asshole. Just downloaded it twice also, so I'm really an asshole. Nope, that was not why. Okay. Huh. That is strange. Because we could pull WP config, right? I wonder if we could just do another little... Or if we need to go back further. There we go. Okay, so we just need to go back a little bit further. All right, cool. All right, we got a user, it looks like. All right. So now I'm wondering if that curl would have worked. Yep, it would have. Okay. So now we could try /user .sh, our home user, right? IDRSA. See if that's in there. Damn. I guess not. Okay. We still have 1337 up and running, right? And we have, okay, we have 1337. No, no, his name is actually user. It's right here. Like it's the actual like user like that. Okay, so it's 13. We still have port 1337 up, and we can't get into it, right? So what if we could figure out what process is running on 1337 and then kind of go from there? Yeah. Okay. Process ID brute force via local file inclusion. Yes, sir. Okay. So let's go ahead and try this like right here. I don't know why I just did that. Let's go to raw. Okay. Python. And let's go ahead and sublime it first because we're obviously going to need to do some stuff in here. So the URL, right? So we got to leave that /proc. That's one of the big parts of it, like right there. Because we should be able to brute force the process ID, see what's running on 1337, thus allowing us to be able to get hopefully something off of that 1337. Because that's obviously has to do something with this guy. Okay, let's go ahead and try this now. And it's going to go from, it looked like all the way through 10,000, right? Yeah, so from 1 to 10,000 pretty much, or 0 to 10,000, so that's good. What we're looking for is anything that has 1337 in it. Now, I don't know how fast this goes, though. I'm gonna go with this is yeah, okay, so it does a for loop. I'll say we'll go with it. It's gonna keep going, right? Did find one, so we know that, right? Is this the ha? This is exactly what we're looking for, actually, isn't it? We're doing the same exact thing, aren't we? Ebook download. That's exactly what we're doing here, isn't it? Yep. I was kind of hoping we get the exact box too. That's pretty funny. Okay, anything with 1337 anywhere? Okay, we're at least we're starting to get some more stuff here, so we 100% know that it is working. But we're not getting anything back. We just keep getting all that kind of stuff back. Let's go ahead and see if he's getting the same thing back in his. Yeah, he is. Okay. So we know that. Yeah, network, UW. Okay. All right, cool. Still at those two slashes by accident, because that's how I roll, because I'm an asshole. Okay, we're starting to get some more stuff here. Looks a lot more stuff coming down like right here, huh? Anything that says 1337? I'm not seeing anything right there. Oh shit, hydrate. What's that? Oh god. I actually have water. Done did hydrated. Yeah, we're starting to get a lot of stuff now. Looks like we're in the 830. I should output this to a file and try to grep for 1337. Because all these random little things are getting me like freaking cross-eyed. Didn't think we were gonna have this many. See if there's anything else except for MySQL. Okay, it just keeps going MySQL. See if there's anything else there. GDB server is running on 1337. Process number 853. GDB server is running on 1337. All right, cool. Did we miss that as we went through? I probably saw. I think I actually read. I remember reading that, so I started scrolling back up. All right, cool. So GDB server. I think I looked at this like right here, the screen one. I was like, huh. Okay. So we got a GDB server, right? Okay, that looks good to me. Let's go ahead and try it. Don't know if it's gonna work or not, but so far we're just throwing shit at it. So see if it sticks. So might as well throw some more shit at it, see if it sticks. GDB server, IP import, path to shellcode. So we got to make our own shellcode. Oh, okay. Can't just make it for us? I think you could have just made this for us. Lhost is going to be that. Or lhost, my fault. Lhost. Not going to be that. Okay. So we're running the same folder. We should just be able to just go for it, huh? Look at that. He's doing 1337 also. I wonder if everyone just made their exploit off of this one thing. This one box. It was like, oh, cool. I'm going to make an exploit off of this. Actually, 10, 10, 10, 200. That probably is something within here, huh? Right? Like that, right? That's what you want? Yep. And then the path to the shellcode. Okay. Victims GDB server, attackers listener. GDB server IP import. What? Okay. Rev.bin. And let's go ahead and listen. Well, I was trying to open that up. Oh. Yes, I was. Maybe I should actually pay attention. I'm like, what are you talking about? Unexpected response, try again later. No. Okay, that's later. Maybe I should stop attacking it, since we know what it is now. Heyo! Let's frickin' go! Alright, cool. I don't know why I just tried to do that. But we do have screen. And we do know a screen was running because we saw it in the process IDs. So that's probably our way up. Is that the one that... Let's go with GTF opens. Let's look up screen. That's only for sudo? Screen version 4.0. Is there an exploit for this? Is there a purpose for this? Yeah, 4.0.3, but we're on 4.0.8, huh? Maybe just try to trick us. Oh, someone subscribed on YouTube. Hey, thanks a lot. You're going to see this video one day, hopefully. At isn't normal, is it? That's sudo again? Fuckers. Wait, what's command? If I roll like that, do I change my privileges? Okay. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and cat Etsy cron tabs. Okay, it doesn't look like there's anything inside of here. That's okay. No, that's up there. Okay. That's okay. Yeah, we'll get there. We're getting there. I saw those guys like right there because I already read it, so I was like, huh. Nope, we don't know what his password is. Or do we know what his password is? Oh, that's actually cd var www HTML. Actually, we do know how to get a database, right? So we may be able to figure out his password, but he wasn't on there, was he? Who's running this actually? Who's running? It's www data. Never mind. Okay, let's see. Because if root's running this, then we could try to get in like that, crack admin's password or whatever. Let's still do this. Let's still get in the database, see if we see anything in there. Yeah, it's just admin, huh? Let's go ahead and try crack this password because he may have the same thing as what user is. User may be admin on this thing. So let's go ahead and echo this into hash.text. Nope. So it's the F off, mate. Okay, nothing in opt. Everything else on here is old. So let's go ahead and see here. Let's go ahead and make sure that he is the only user. Just to make sure. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and cd temp. Actually, cd back into var www html. This is going to be horrible. Yeah. Kind of what I thought was going to happen. We're just getting, well, I guess something that's not. Okay. All right. That's okay. So we know that. We know we got a screen on here. So and we know that screen is still a process, right? Yeah, I could, but I'm still kind of focused on the screen because screen as an SUID bit isn't normal. And we also saw screen whenever we did that process brute force, right? All the way up, where's 850? Because it was like right near this guy, right over here, right? So that means that that process ID is not closed. So here's the one that we got into, like right here, right? But as you can see, this guy's running screen as root, which means that it's not closed yet. This is actually what we saw first, and that kind of piqued my interest. So we don't even need that. I think we could just do a screen, tac x, and I think we just say root. So like that. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so we can just do screen. Okay, let's go ahead and exit out here because I actually want to put that in my notes. So what am I catting? So screen's running, right? As root. So all we do is just screened into root. That's all we did. Which then brought up their screen because the process hasn't ended yet. Like the guy still has the process open. So we could just hop into his screen. Well, because screen's running that SUID bit. That's why. That's why that's happening, like right there. So because screen has the SUID bit set, now we're good. Okay. Now we found that we were doing a brute force for the processes, right? Process IDs. So I'm just going to show that down here. Hey there, AC my Ash O. How you doing? So there is, so because screen itself like that, it's not actually exploitable like that. You know, what I'm saying like it's not like an SUID bit like that. You know what I'm saying? Although we have found other ones that should probably be in there that are not. But yeah. So it's not technically. You have to have a lot of stuff fall into place for that to work. You know what I'm saying? It's not like it was one of those like you run it and you're done. You know? Okay. Hey, B7H30, you still there? Because I think you used Oblivion, don't you? Is there a way to be able to like connect this guy to this guy down here? Like and say like, ooh, can I do that? Then that's not really very pretty now, is it? There we go. Okay. Okay. Now I'll see if there's a way to be able to like make it like actually like just have like a little link that goes to the next one, you know? Not what it just did. Because that was ugly as shit. Okay, so we had that, right? And now since screen's running, oh god, I'm not that smart, dude. So it does accept markdown. So you're saying I could do something like, okay. So you're saying I could do I will rant here in a second. I can do move, read more. Do I have to actually do like this, like right here? Like, is that like a real thing? Drew-rad, I need you to like spell this one out because I've never really used Markdown before. I just know that this thing can do it, and I do that, and it makes that cool like little file like right here. Do I actually type it like here, and then just give it like, do I just literally do that like right there? No. At the end sentence, press the left square bracket. Yeah, twice on your keyboard. So you're saying up here I do that? Holy shit! Oh my freaking god! No way. Let's go. That is cool beans, Jelly Machine. Thank you very much, dude. That's freaking cool. I did not know that was like a real thing. Okay, cool. So we do that, right? That is cool. Thank you very much, Drew Rad. And I will rant here in a minute, I promise. Yeah, I'm slowly doing that, but I have so much stuff in Cherry Tree that just doesn't. It's a very slow process. All right, and we are done with that machine. Let's go.